Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start a new conversation in a space group with by topic. So go to Google Chat or Gmail, and under spaces you can select a space organized by group topic. For example, select this one, and to start a new conversation by topic you can select task and just wait. That's it. You can add a space task. So select title and just um make a title. For example, just click add. That's it. You can add more. Mm, That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.